I'm already.
Remember when we made that granny video together?
No, I don't want it. Not now. I'm trying to. Hey guys.
Right there.
Hey guys, welcome to another
I
episode.
remember the app.
Stop talking, you.
I remember the app.
I don't care. I'm playing Subway Surf. You guys, I'm playing Subway Surf. Surf.
Get up.
Put that over there. Put that over there. Put that over there.
It's kind of cool. Subway Surf is actually kind of cool. I made it to level 28.
Shut up. You don't just keep.
What level are you in?
None of your business. Get out. Hey guys, sorry about the interruption. That guy is pretty annoying. And I'm gonna Actually, I'm gonna update that later. I'm gonna beat the guy's high score. Then once I do, I'm gonna rub it in his face. I'm beating your high score. Anywho, I'm just gonna try to beat this guy's high score, which is super easy. I bet you money.
My turn.
No, that doesn't count. Wait, that doesn't count. We have to. That guy told me to go. I'm gonna have. Okay. Hold on.
Oh, this kid?
I'm gonna beat.
Are you a pro? Trash.
Yeah. No, I'm not pro noob. Get off my back.
Get off his back, bro. Or else I'll beat you. Whoa! Go. Good job, boy. Good job.
I completed the word hunt.
I hope he dies. He won't. Hopefully he will actually. But next it's me actually. So and he didn't like me. Oh yes, you have to use that one.
Look at it, dude.
Look at it, dude.
Look at it, dude.
Yeah, please die. Just die. Cause Muhammad wants you to die because Muhammad's a noob at this game. You know Imran, he cried for no reason. Jump! Jump onto that thing. He would die. No, he wouldn't. He would just trip a bit. Shut up then. You don't know. Yeah, you shut up, kid.
Okay, you win, brother. You win.
I'm so happy that he died.
Friend? Who's hold me? Who's hold me, kid? Who's holding me? I got 2 turns too.
I didn't want to risk it. That's why I didn't jump. Let's help with the building. I bet I can beat this guy's high score any day, anytime.
Subway Surfers because I want to.
Isn't there any games?
Yes, there is. But
Yeah, but we don't want to play, so you can't force us to do something, to do what we didn't want.
Wait, we'll go. Pause. We're moving right here, guys.
You get an F- in your book report.
How? Why? When? Who said so? Are you my teacher?
Yeah.
Hey, I just completed a mission for you. Pick up 2 snake. Hey, you got 2 turns too?
Yeah, I guess.
I could get hundreds of coins. Once I got myself 225.
Yeah, I'm recording,
actually.
so I'm gonna beat your high score once and for all, and then you're gonna cry to your mommy.
No, I won't.
And then you're gonna miss how cool I
Then I'm going to beat up you.
am. I don't care. We don't care.
I'm gonna beat up your ass.
If you think you're bored and if you think you're the boss of it.
Hey, do you know what? This guy is actually you.
Yeah, that I know.
That's why you're saying you want to beat his high score. Duh.
Yeah, and please subscribe to my channel. Because I'm a pro.
And
What's your
Subway
channel
Surfers.
called? Mario Power. Do you have a problem with the name?
Yes, I
Yes.
do. I hate Mario.
Yeah, me too. I hate Mario.
Foreigners,
Well, I don't care. I can't change it right now. And I will see if you like.
What do you make?
Put in the comments if you think Mario is.
What kind of videos do you make?
Every type.
Mario sucks.
Hey,
Yeah, Mario sucks.
Who cares? It's my YouTube channel.
put down in the comments if you think
play in your YouTube?
Put down,
in the comments if
And also comment the best name if you
guys. Stop trying to expose him. Soon they're going to expose him. Hey, no.
Hold on, you guys. Hold on.
Hold on, I have to open this. Yay, good job, Khalid. I just gave you 800 coins. Double up time. Then you're going to have about 1,000.
Ads suck.
The heck?
Okay, anyway.
What kind of ad is
comment down
this?
below.
A pony with a grenade inside his mouth? What kind? No, it's not Fortnite. Fortnite doesn't have a pony with a
Yes, it does.
With a grenade in his freaking mouth? Stupid.
Let me press it.
No.
Too late, I didn't.
Anyway, think comment in the comments two things. If choose the best name for me, and also tell me what should I do next. What video should I do next?
Wait, let me see something.
In my opinion, you should do Fortnite.
Do your YouTube
Hey, I'm doing.
Open
Stop,
your
stop.
YouTube.
I'm trying to do something, guys.
Guys,
You guys are so grabby.
They're more grabby if you see them with my computer. Super Surfer.
show me your YouTube channel. Show me.
No.
In the comment below. Then I don't know what it looks like. Are these kids are too crazy or not? What? Yeah, give us something in the comment below.
Bro.
No, tell me if this Mario sucks.
12K.
Shut up. 12K.
It's my YouTube.
Yeah, shut up.
20,000.
Oh my
Hey, you're almost going to be able to get the Great White. You have 12K. What about this one? Oh,
Nothing's
special.
gone.
Holy, that's 360,000.
Hey, we need Robux to get that. It's okay.
There is no Robux on this game, stupid.
We need to add money.
Who cares?
Money.
Special powers.
Yeah, I have like 7,000 keys.
Special powers, speed up. Speed this thing up. Look at his keys.
Zero.
Zero keys? I could get a million.
Zero keys. This bro has zero keys. Look how trash he is. I had 7,000.
And you need 90 keys for the double jump?
In the comments below, tell us, is he trash because he has those keys? Or is he not?
Shut
I got an idea. I know how to get more keys. I know how to get more keys.
You too.
Just use this. The ad thing. Loading ad? Yeah, look. No, it's not a big cheater. Everyone does this.
Will you guys be quiet?
Everyone's a cheater then.
Be quiet about my YouTube channel, everyone.
Now you got no keys?
What?
Stupid people. Shut up, I'll kill you.
No, not now.
Later after you die?
No.
When?
No, that
Never. Cause you're not the boss of me.
No,
I am.
subscribe.
Actually,
I don't care.
Watch the full ad.
yeah, but
You won't
no,
get it. You
I just
won't.
watched
You
the
won't
full
get
ad
it.
once and then
You won't get a golden play.
I thought I could.
You won't get a golden play. Yes or not in the comment below. I got it.
I thought
golden
I thought I could make it.
I got 1,000 likes.
Guys,
I got 1,000 likes.
one more thing to put down in the comments. Put down if you think Fortnite is better than Mario.
Yeah, put that on. And also put out in the comments which is better, Roblox or Fortnite? Because Fortnite is way better.
Yeah.
I know.
Freaking
I said people think Roblox is better than Fortnite. Fortnite's better.
Okay, everyone.
Because
Which one?
Yes! You did it! I don't care. I did it.
On Roblox, you don't have to pay that much money for Robux.
Yeah.
Robux.
Yeah, because Roblox suck.
Jump! You jump off the tree!
Then why do you have some?
Oh yeah, why do you have Roblox on this when you say Roblox stuff? Comment down below if you think that's
I don't have
Awkward.
I don't even have TikTok anymore. Do you know that?
good for you, because you're not even old enough.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, comment down below what video should I do next, and second of all, comment down below the best name that I should do next. What I should name my channel.
I know. In the comments below, what do you think about this game? Is this a good game or is it like not that good game? In the comments below, guys, check this out.
Ignore him.
You have to answer, or you delete it and now you're not family anymore.
Shut up.
Yeah,
You just lost the box. That's not family.
I don't care.
Shut up now. You know why they say family? That means like they're king.
Hey,
the people that survive
stuff.
them, they
No,
join the
family
group.
that steal stuff. Just to tell you guys, Muslims aren't terrorists. They're actually nice people. Just because people are black, that doesn't mean they're Muslim.
Yeah, just tell that back.
This one kid, he wasn't Muslim. He was here, and now.
Oh, I just beat the high score.
Good job.
Yeah! See! Check the bottom comments below. Do you think this guy's filthy or not?
You just said put down in the comments below if you think this guy's trash or not. You're trash at putting down in comments anyway.
Sam, I always put the comments down.
Okay, guys, just
That's probably because your mom doesn't watch you.
wait. Can I do
I have something to say.
free? I said free.
No. I have something to say.
Cheater! This kid is cheating. We're only allowed to get 2 turned in.
No, 3.
No.
I'm after.
I got a high score.
I'm after. Okay, and let me tell you something.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I have to say on the camera that your mama smells like cheeky.
Shut up! You're not allowed to say that.
That's against YouTube law.
Okay,
I know this dude.
I played.
YouTube is gonna kick
I'll play after
if you
2 turns. Skateboard.
Anyway, hold on. Let me say something to
play
the guys.
challenge.
Let me say something to
Stop,
everyone.
don't look at me.
Okay, you guys,
I was just
comment
trying
down below what's the best name for me, and comment.
You said that
down
already.
if you think that. Comment down below the best name for me, and also what video should I do next.
Hey, also, see,
Don't listen to him.
my turn is next.
No, you're
I'm
not.
gonna smack that high score right there.
Yeah.
How?
I'm gonna beat that stupid high score. I'm gonna beat it so bad.
You probably have the lowest
I'm like one of the best people. I'm one of the top 5 best players in Subway Surf.
Okay, which one do you have?
The same one as this because I don't barely get any coins. Whenever I see coins, I don't get them.
Jetpack time! I'm not gonna die when I get that.
That's trash.
Shut up! The jetpack's way better than any other one, cause you could actually fly.
Okay, fine, that's true.
Whoa!
No. Chest is the best. First best. Second is that.
Oh, silver boats.
Silver's first, bro. Silver is like the legendary.
Some people basically just tell me silver is worse. The normal box is better. It gives you a bunch of other stuff.
No, the silver box gives you rare stuff. Legendary, bro. You think that? All you guys in the comments below, what do you think? The normal
Shut up.
or the
No
silver
one
chest
is
is better?
no more comment.
Okay, that comment doesn't count. Bah! Pop it!
Don't pop it. That's for the anniversary. Sorry, but we have an anniversary here.
I took you
Our 25th anniversary.
Stop, bro. Get out. I was right here. It's my turn next.
Well, guess what? It's not your turn next.
Let's say it.
I'm not gonna let you play on my phone.
You literally roasted their mom.
Yeah, my mom.
That is not allowed.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, all you kids. Sorry, your mom.
She forced me to get
Yeah, you give me one.
Sorry.
And guess what?
Sorry, mom. Sorry, mom's dad said your mom smelled like chicken because I'm saying it actually to your mom. Sorry, all of you kids, everyone.
Hold on.